In today's news, a woman reported a robbery in the city of Oxford. Let's go live to the scene of the crime.
So what happened? What happened?
Oh, well, I walked out of McDonald's and I looked down and I realized I was wearing stitches, stitches, stitches.
Please get back to the story.
Oh, a man robbed me.
Is that it?
Did I stutter?
So you saw the man who did this crime.
Yes.
What did he look like?
He had an ugly face, was very ugly, had
Yeah.
a small nose, and was
Okay.
so ratchet.
Oh, all right. Did he look like this?
Yes.
Oh, dang. Dang, where you going? Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Bro, where you going? Dang, he dipped.